Hello and welcome, Tino Galaxie here. How you guys doing? Today in Tino's Corner, I just want to tell my experience. I went to the gym. It's a little bit of insecurities. First of all, to get in the car, the actual fact to get in the car and get to the gym and drive. It's not far from where I live. It's like probably like 10 minutes, maybe, roughly 10 minutes. But the thing is like for you to get the energy, that once you get to that barrier and you actually get to the gym, more anxiety hits you when you're going for the first time because you don't know what to expect. Like I'm very antisocial. Like if I could have a gym at home, which I cannot afford, it'd be cool because I don't have to get out. And if I get deliveries, I mean, you can get deliveries to your home, but it's just too expensive. So you have to go to the outside world and venture yourself to the outside, see the sun in your face, I guess. But yeah, like side that hits you and you're like people gonna watch you when you walk in. When you go to school for the first time, you come in late and you walk into the door and then everyone's like exorcist. Everyone looks at you and it's like but then you get out to the pavement, you walk around to the entrance, and then you open the door, and then you realize that everyone's doing their thing and it's just your imagination and it's just you. Nobody cares about you. It's just a blur. So yeah. So I went in, did some elliptical machines. One of those things that it's like forks and the legs are moving and the forks are going this way, and so it was good. And then I noticed. Where I work, there's a gym that you can use. So I've been going at that gym, but only like Monday and Fridays. That's when I have a chance. But I thought I thought it was good. I thought it was not very bad, out of shape. To be an overweight person. Um, a very overweight person. I don't know. I noticed that I was struggling a little bit. So when I jump into the aerobics machine, so yeah, I noticed I was like, oh, okay. Well, seems like pretty out of shape compared to what I thought. My heart rate was going a little bit up. I was a little bit out of breath. I don't know. Maybe it was like the people around. I don't know, the vibes from the people around. It was like pressing against my innocent soul, wannabe innocent soul. But yeah, so I noticed that out. But the first day wasn't not really good experience. Didn't feel that well. I felt a little bit sick. Made my chest rest a little bit too high. Maybe it was from the anxiety from people that was there. I don't know. But yeah. And then they had the scale right there when I was gonna get out of the gym. I spent like probably like around 45 minutes the first time. I half an hour on the elliptical machine, and then I have the rope that it's like a bar, and then you pull it out, and then you do roll. So it's like you pull the rope, and I did that for like probably 15 minutes. I noticed there was a scale right there, and I was like, maybe in a week, once I feel a little bit better. I went the next day. I felt a little bit better. I noticed that my stamina was a little bit better. Just one day make a big difference. And then I went Friday, and today I went also, and I noticed that it was as I'm going every day. As it's only been like 4 times I've gone, and I noticed that I've been getting a little bit better. Today's my day off, so I went around like 2 hours and a half. I pretty much did the elliptical, and then I did the road thingy, 20 minutes, and then I did a couple of weights. So my idea is, so I have a plan. So I know I have an idea of how how heavy I am. So I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna count 500 calories, burn 500 calories in those machines that count the calories, and then once I hit my target for the day, I'm gonna go and do a little bit of weights. That way, weights doesn't count burning calories. So I'll be doing the machines, and since it records how many calories you're burning I'm gonna use that as a guide, an estimate. So technically, if I try to 500 for 5, I'll be burning a, a pound a week technically. So in a for month will be like 4 pounds technically, an estimate. And if we're going around if we go in on the estimate of 4 pounds a month, I'll be losing all the weight that I need in 2 years and a half. Yeah, I'm kind of heavy. I have a lot of meat on those thighs right here in the middle. We could do some tamales with it. Oh well, let's not count uh, you know, and the belly, bottom tumps. Okay, okay, well, whatever. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of hard work, dedication, and a long time. Gonna be a long time. So yeah, that is my plan, and that was my experience on the gym. So yeah, I guess you see a progression throughout the months and years. Moving forward, I guess, because I'm planning on losing that weight and look like a Greek god. That is the plan. Because I have a lot of woohoo, a lot of like mass. All right, well, thank you so very much for watching. This is Tino Galaxie, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.